morning, my dear students. How are you all? In today's class, we'll discuss the third chapter of first book, that is two stories about flying. This chapter has two parts. Today we'll discuss the first part of this story of this chapter. And the name of first part is his first flight. His first flight. Flight means yes, उड़ान. यानी कि उसकी पहली उड़ान. Whose first flight? Children, you can see some pictures here. There is a bird. It's a small bird. Its name is seagull. This story is about this bird. Some characters are there in this chapter. Baby seagull itself, mother seagull, father seagull, and parents, brother and sister. Actually, this is very young. बहुत छोटा bird है ये, and it wants to fly, but it feels afraid of flying. ये होना चाहता है, but इसको बहुत डर लगता है उड़ने से. Parents also want that very soon he should start flying, and the main thing is this, that his brother and sister both are yellow with him. दोनों ही उससे बहुत छोटे हैं, but they have started flying. But he is not able to collect the courage to fly. These things bother mother and father a lot. ये बात mother father को बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान करती है, bother करती है. That how will he face the difficulties of his life if he will not start even flying. अगर ये उतना ही स्टार्ट नहीं करेगा तो अपने आगे लाइफ में आने वाली डिफिकल्टीज को किस तरह से फेस करेगा और किस तरह से ये अपनी लाइफ को स्पेंड करेगा. सो फाइनली ये किस तरह से उसके पेरेंट्स उसको सिखाते हैं, एनकरेज करते हैं उड़ने के लिए. एंड व्हाट वर द डिफिकल्टीज ही फेस्ड व्हेन ही स्टार्ट फ्लाइंग. दीज everything we are going to discuss in the chapter. A young seagull was alone on his ledge. Ledge means projected from a wall. As you can see here in the picture, a rock is there, but इसके आगे कुछ part निकला हुआ है. That is called ledge, and it was the favorite place of this young seagull. He used to sit here. वो यहीं बैठा करता था, यहीं रहा करता था, because he was not able to fly. His two brothers and his sister had already flown away the day before. One day before, his younger brother and sister had already flown. एक दिन पहले उसके छोटे भाई बहन already उड़ चुके थे. Somehow, when he had taken a little run forward to the brink of the ledge and attempted to flap his wings, he became afraid. But as he tried to flap his wings, जैसे ही अपने wings को flap करने की कोशिश करता था, he started feeling afraid. इसको डर लगने लगता था, and this was the reason he was not able to fly. The great expanse of sea stretched down beneath, and it was such a long way down, miles down. You can see here in the picture, children. It's a sea. There was a sea, and it was so deep. तो इसको ये भी डर लगता था, if I started flying, what would happen if I fall here? क्या होगा अगर मैं यहाँ पर गिर गया? He felt certain that his wings would never support him, so he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge where he slept at night. अब ये सीन देखकर, ये सब देखकर, he started feeling afraid. ये सब देखकर उसको डर लगने लगता था, और यही रीजन था कि वो अगर थोड़ा बहुत करेज कलेक्ट करके बाहर आता भी था, तो वो फिर से इस सी को देखकर वो फिर से डर जाता था और पीछे जाकर उसी होल में बैठ जाता था जहाँ ये सोया था. Then, even when each of his brothers and his little sister, whose wings were far shorter than his own, ran to the brink, flapped their wings and flew away, he failed to muster up courage to take that plunge, which appeared to him so desperate. Muster up means collect. To collect something. And there's one more word, plung. Plung means to jump, यानी कि jump लगाना. Bring is a bank, corner. So even his younger brother and sister, he was able to see his younger brothers and sister flapping their wings. वो अपने भाई बहनों को देखता था how they are flapping their wings and they are trying to fly. His father and mother had come around calling to him shrilly, upbraiding him, threatening to let him starve on his ledge unless he flew away. To see these things, his parents used to scold him. उसके parents उसको scold किया करते थे, उसको डांटते थे, डपटते थे, but he was not able to think over this thing. वो उसके बारे में सोचता ही नहीं था. Why? Because he was coward, little bit. But for the life of him, he could not move. But even अपनी ही लाइफ के लिए वो मूव नहीं कर पाता था. Was that good? Not at all. We should be independent in our life. हमारे जो पेरेंट्स होते हैं, पेरेंट्स किसी के भी हो, whether that's of an animal or a human being, किसी के भी पेरेंट तो वो ये चाहते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे लाइफ में कैसे बने, इंडिपेंडेंट बने. It was 24 hours ago. Since then, nobody had come here. लगभग 24 घंटे हो गए थे, पर उसके पास कोई भी नहीं आया था. Why? Because his family members used to feel they didn't feel good about him. उसके बारे में अच्छा नहीं सोचते थे. वो सोचते थे एटलीस्ट he should try. अगर वो ट्राई ही नहीं करेगा तो लाइफ में इतने स्ट्रगल होते हैं वो किस तरह से फेस करेगा. The day before, all day long, he had watched his parents flying about with his brothers and sisters, perfecting them in the art of flight, teaching them how to skim the waves and how to dive for fish. Skim means move lightly. So one day before, he saw his parents were teaching his siblings. एक दिन पहले उसने देखा था कि उसके जो पेरेंट्स हैं उसके भाई बहनों को सिखा रहे हैं how to fly. They were teaching the techniques of flying. वे उसको सिखा रहे थे, उनको सिखा रहे थे कि किस तरह से उड़ा जाता है. He had in fact seen his older brother catch his first herring and devour it. उसने अपने भाई को देखा था कि he caught his first herring. Herring is a small bird, जिसको सीगल बहुत ही शौक से खाता है. Standing on a rock while his parents circled around raising a proud cackle. But about him, उसके पेरेंट्स जो थे उसके चारों तरफ around they used to sit around him. उसके चारों तरफ बैठ जाते थे और उसको स्कॉल्ड करते थे, उसको एनकरेज भी करते थे. बट व्हेन ही वाज नॉट एबल टू गेट एनी एनकरेजमेंट, दे यूज्ड टू स्कॉल्ड हिम आल्सो. And all the morning, the whole family had walked about on the big plateau midway down the opposite cliff, taunting him with his cowardice. To see his such kind of behavior, उसका ये बिहेवियर देखकर, ये cowardice देखकर उसके जो फैमिली मेंबर्स थे, they used to taunt him. उसको टॉन्ट करते थे, स्कॉल्ड करते थे, उसको बुरा भला भी कहते थे. Why? This was just for the sake. ये सिर्फ उसकी भलाई के लिए था. The sun was now sanding the sky, blazing on his ledge that faced the south. The sunlight were falling on that ledge where that young seagull was sitting. जो सूरज की किरणें थी वो उसी ledge पर बिल्कुल डायरेक्ट पड़ रही थी जहाँ वो बैठा था. He felt the heat because he had not eaten since the previous nightfall. And children, you know, when we are hungry, जब हम भूखे होते हैं तो हमें ठंड भी ज़्यादा लगती है और गर्मी भी ज़्यादा लगती है, obviously, because we don't get energy. तो same thing was there. He was also feeling heat. उसको भी बहुत ज़्यादा heat लग रही थी. He stepped slowly out to the brink of the ledge and standing on one leg with the other leg hidden under his wing, he closed one eye, then the other, and pretended to be falling asleep. Brink means bank, किनारा, corner. वो अपने ब्रिंक से, ये जो किनारा कॉर्नर था, इससे थोड़ा आगे बढ़ता है. He stood on his one leg, अपनी लेग पर खड़ा हो जाता है, and closed his eye, और अपनी आंखें बंद कर लेता है. And he pretended as if he was sleeping, और वो pretend करता है, बहाने बनाता है कि जैसे कि वो सो रहा हो. Why? Just to catch the attention of the family members. उसके family members की attention gain करने के लिए वो ऐसा करता है. Still they took no notice of him. तब भी वो उसकी तरफ कोई ध्यान नहीं देते.